Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to sign up for YouTube TV. If you're tired of traditional cable and want access to live TV, on-demand shows, and sports all in one place, this is the guide for you. YouTube TV is a fantastic streaming service from Google, offering over 100 channels for a monthly fee. Let's get you signed up in no time. It's easier than you think. First, make sure you have a Google account. If you don't, head to accounts.google.com and create one quickly. It only takes a minute. Once that's sorted, open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com, or download the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Step 1. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent "Try it free" or "Sign up" button. Click that to get started. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your details, and you'll be taken to the next page. Next, YouTube TV will check if you're in a supported region. It's mainly available in the United States, so double-check that. If everything's good, you'll see options for plans. The base plan includes tons of channels like ABC, CBS, and ESPN. Choose the one that fits your budget and needs. They often have promotional offers for new users. Now, add your payment information. Don't worry, it's secure. Just enter your credit card or preferred payment method. You'll get a free trial period, usually a week or so, before any charges kick in. Review your selection, read through the terms of service, and hit confirm or start watching. Boom, you're all set. You can now start streaming on multiple devices at once. One last tip. If you encounter any issues, like location errors, make sure your device is connected to the internet and restart if needed. There you have it. You're now a YouTube TV subscriber. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.